The Georgia Numeracy project consists of several assessment tools as well as instructional activities that target learning at the specific stages of development. Let's look at how the components of the Georgia Numeracy project work together to support students' numeracy development. The starting point is to determine where the student is in their strategy development. There is a strategy stage assessment that provides this information. Then, we will determine what number knowledge the student has developed. There are two assessments that measure different levels of number knowledge. The remaining assessment component is a progress monitoring tool that provides a series of tasks that you can use to frequently measure students' progress on specific skills within a stage of development. Finally, there is a collection of instructional tasks aligned to specific skills within each stage of development. These tasks will form the basis of your instructional work with students. On the previous slide in this vector class, you will have opened the link to the Georgia Numeracy Project resources. The first page of the PDF shows the general overview of the components. Scroll past the second page. This page includes information specific to the implementation in the state of Georgia. We will not be referencing this information for our use here in Colorado. The third page includes hyperlinks to every component of the Georgia Numeracy Project. As mentioned previously, the Georgia Numeracy Project has 3 assessment components as well as intervention activities. The strategy assessment is called the Global Strategy Stage Assessment and is referred to as the GLOSS. This is an interview assessment that determines the level of strategy a student uses. The individual knowledge assessment of number comes in 2 parts. The entry-level assessment, which we call Part 1, is interview-based. The more advanced assessment, which we refer to as Part 2, can be given in a group setting. The progress monitoring tool is labeled as the Numeracy Project Assessment. It is an instrument that measures progress on both strategy and number knowledge. We will refer to this assessment as the progress monitoring tool. The final component is the collection of intervention activities that target specific skills within each stage of development.